Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to adjust your saturation in an image. If you're not sure exactly what saturation is, it's the amount of gray that's in a specific color in a picture. So let's get started. So right now you can see that I'm in my basic panel under the Develop module. I can make adjustments here to contrast, highlights, vibrance, saturation. The thing is that is going to change the entire image, and I might not want to change the entire image. I just might want to pull up or down one color in that specific picture. So we're going to scroll down here and we are going to look for the HSL panel. All right, so right here we are in the HSL panel, and I'm going to start with my reds. So you see the saturation slider here. Remember we talked in the beginning about how it's the amount of gray in a picture? Let me bring that down, and you can see how when we bring that down, that's going to decrease that to see the gray. And when we turn that up, that is going to fully saturate it with all of the reds we have on there. Ideally, you're probably not going to do that. So I'm going to take it back to 0. A real easy way to do that is you click on the red twice really quick. It brings it back to the default. So what I would do personally when I'm editing this, I would just pull that red up a little bit to enhance it, maybe up to about maybe a 19 or 20, just to give a little bit of enhancement there. Red and oranges, those are two colors you're going to want to be really careful with under the saturation. If you pull those up too much, it can affect skin tone. So just kind of be a little mindful of that. And then the next thing I might want to do with this picture is just pull those greens up a little bit. So I'm going to come down to the green saturation. I'm going to pull it up a little bit, maybe a little more for the greens. I'm actually up to about a 70 here. Gives it a nice little pop against the red. So that's a quick overview on how to use the saturation tab to enhance your photos.